Ever dream of owning rental properties, but the whole idea just feels too big, too expensive, too confusing? Trust me, I get it, but there's a brilliant, straightforward approach that cuts through all that noise. It's called one rental at a time, and it's changed thousands of lives. Let's break down Michael Zuber's strategy. Michael Zuber isn't about hype, guru courses, or overnight millions. He's about something far more powerful, one rental at a time. Think about that. Not 10 at once, not jumping into complex syndications you don't understand, just one, then another, and another. His entire philosophy is built on patience, consistency, and a relentless focus on cash flow. He calls it slow money, and slow money done consistently beats fast money almost every single time. It's the most straightforward path to real estate I've ever seen, and it's why I resonate so deeply with his message here on Cracked Canvas. So, where do you start? The absolute first step is acquiring that one rental property, but not just any property, the right property. Zuber hammers this point home. It must cash flow. Don't fall for the hype of appreciation only or future potential. Your goal is to find a single family home or small multifamily like a duplex, triplex, or even a fourplex that from day one puts money in your pocket after all expenses. This means meticulous due diligence, understanding your market or your buy box, and running those numbers until they scream yes. This isn't about luck. It's about making smart, data-driven decisions on that very first crucial asset. Get that first one right, and everything else becomes infinitely easier. Now, here's where the magic of one rental at a time truly kicks in. The snowball effect. Once you have that first cash flowing property, you're not just collecting rent. That cash flow and the equity you build as tenants pay down the mortgage becomes the fuel for your next rental. You reinvest that income, that freed up capital, into property number two. Then property two starts cash flowing, adding more fuel. Soon, two becomes three, three becomes four, and before you know it, you build a portfolio far larger than you ever thought possible, all from those humble, consistent beginnings. It's not about making $1 million on one deal. It's about consistently adding profitable assets that compound your wealth over time, one rental at a time. In a world obsessed with overnight success and instant gratification, Michael Zuber preaches the unpopular truth. Patience is your greatest asset in real estate. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich slowly, get-rich consistently, get-rich securely strategy. Your properties will appreciate over decades, not days. Debt will be paid down, not in a year, but over 15 or 30 years. And that's okay, because while most people chase volatile markets and short-term wins, you'll be quietly compounding wealth, building a rock-solid foundation that can withstand any economic storm. This is about legacy, not just liquidity. So this is where the Cret Canvas blueprint comes in. I've distilled Michael Zuber's brilliant philosophy, combined it with years of my own real-world experience, and packaged it into a simple, actionable blueprint you can follow. It's not about complex algorithms or insider secrets. It's about a straightforward, step-by-step process that anyone can understand and implement. Consistency, simplicity, and focusing on the fundamentals. That's the Cracked Canvas way to build your real estate empire one rental at a time. It works because it is real. So if you're ready to cut through the overwhelm and build real wealth one rental at a time, then it's time to take the next step with me. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe for more no BS insights into finance and real estate investing, and for exclusive resources, including a library of valuable ebooks, and to join our growing community. Consider becoming a Cracked Canvas Patreon supporter. It's about building your empire one solid rental at a time. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.